OpenSSL comes pre-installed in most Linux distributions. To generate a random password with OpenSSL, run the following command in the terminal. Here, base 64 string will make sure the password can be typed on a keyboard. The command will generate a 14-byte random value encoded with base 64. You can count the number of characters by decoding it using this command. As you can see, we have generated a random and strong password with 14 characters long. The D and C flags in the command refers decode and byte count respectively. To generate a 16-byte, 128-bit random value, the command would be this. For more details, refer the man pages. Pwgen is simple, yet useful command line utility to generate a random and strong password in seconds. It designs secure passwords that can be easily memorized by humans. It is available in the most Unix-like operating systems. Once Pwgen installed, generate a random and strong password with length of 14 letters using this command. The command will generate only one password with length of 14 characters. To generate two different passwords with length of 14 characters, run this command. To generate 100 different passwords, not necessary though, with length of 14 characters, run this command. To include at least one number in the password, run this command. For more details, check the man pages. To generate a random and strong password with length of 14 characters using GPG, run the following command from the terminal. This command will generate a secure, random, strong, and base 64 encoded password. For more details, refer man pages. APG, stands for Automatic Password Generator, is a command line utility for generating strong random passwords. A good thing is APG will generate pronounceable passwords. They are referred to as pronounceable because the passwords may actually be pronounced like regular words. Once installed, run APG command to generate strong and random passwords. As you can see in the output, APG generates 6 passwords. As I mentioned earlier, all generated passwords are pronounceable like irregular words and the pronunciation of each password is given in the brackets. If you want to generate random character passwords instead of pronounceable passwords, use this command. More details can be found in its man pages. xkcdpass is available in the default repositories of some Linux distributions. Once installed, run xkcdpass to generate a random passphrase. By default, it will generate 6 passphrase. You can use an option to create any number of passphrase. The following command will display 10 random passphrase. For further details, go through xkcdpass man pages. We can use the /dev/urandom as a special file that serves as pseudo-random number generator in Unix-like operating systems. We can use this file to generate a random strings and use it as a password. Here we use tr command to delete unwanted characters and print the 14 random characters. You can also use the following command if you prefer a bit shorter version. Man pages will give more information about Urandom file. Makepasswd is a command line utility to generate and encrypt plaintext passwords in Unix-like systems. Once installed, create some random password using this command. By default, it generates one password. If you want a more one, for example 5, use this command. To generate passwords with exactly n characters, for example 14, do this command. Generate passwords with at most n characters, example 20. Generate passwords with at least n characters, example 5. You can, of course, combine these options and produce the result as you wish. This command will generate 5 passwords, each with at least 5 characters. For more details, look into the man pages. Perl is available in the most Linux distributions' default repositories. Install it using the default package manager. Once Perl installed, create a file. Add the following contents in it. Save and close the file. Now, go to the location where you saved the file, and run the following command.